Namaste everyone, this is Naveen from Shivalayaa Yoga Shala, and today I am going to show you the seated forward bend Paschimottasana asana and its counter stretch called Purvotana asana. Inclined plane sitting forward bend is one of the best asana among all the asanas for the digestive system, and same time it will help to increase the flexibility of the spine. So let's begin. Bring your legs straight in front of you, knees are straight, toes pointing towards you. Remove the extra flesh from your hips and then turn the legs inward. Inhale, stretch the hands up to the sky and exhale, bend forward and down. Hold the big toe with first two fingers and thumb. Inhale, stretch your spine a little more and exhale, bring the forehead on the shin bones. Now hold the front part of your feet with the palms. Inhale, stretch your spine a little more and exhale. Once again, bring the forehead on the shin bones. To go a little more further, you can hold the outer edges of your feet with the palms. And then again, inhale, stretch your spine as much as you can. Exhale, bring the abdomen on your thighs, chest on your knees, and forehead resting on the shin bones. And then try to apply here abdominal breathing, which will help to massage all the internal organs of your body. The important thing to remember here, make sure you are not rounding the back, you are not bending the knees. To come out from the posture, stretch the hands forward. Inhale, bring the hands up to the sky, and exhale, bring the hands down. Same asana I will show for a beginner person. Inhale, stretch the hands up, and exhale, bring the hands wherever is comfortable for you, wherever you can reach comfortably. Inhale, stretch up, and exhale, relax and breathe here. If you have really tight hamstring and back muscles, in that case you can use a blanket under your buttocks and then bring the legs straight. Once again, toes pointing towards you. Inhale, stretch the hands up, and exhale, bend down. Also, you can use a belt here around the sole of your feet, and then inhale, stretch the spine, and exhale, breathe here. Once again, remember to keep the back straight. You can hold the shin bones, big toe over the feet, or wherever is comfortable actually, without rounding the back. Inhale, hands up, exhale, bring the hands down. Down to stretch Purvotana and place the palms on the floor behind your back, fingers pointing towards you or opposite side, palms flat. Press the palms and heels on the mat. Stretch your toes forward. Inhale, push your hips up as much as you can. Drop the head back and try to feel the stretch for the whole front part of the body. And exhale, hips down. Same asana for the beginner person with bent knee, feet flat this time. Press the palms and feet down. Inhale, push the hips up again. Drop the head back. Exhale. For beginner level 2, inhale, hips up. Stretch your toes forward, but toes are not touching to the floor. Exhale, down. Thank you so much for watching us. Please do subscribe to our channel. Namaste.